Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll be starting exercise 9A, page number 212. Chapter 9 is ratio, rate, time and speed. We'll be doing first question, first part. A part, simplify each of the following ratios. So what is ratio? Ratio is like division. Ratio is like fraction. If we say 2:5, we can write it like 2/5. It means 2 divided by 5. It can be like this. Okay, so ratio is a sort of division. Okay, so we need to simplify. The way we do simplification in questions of division or multiplication, the same way we will be doing simplification in these questions. It is 1.5 kg. This is two dots, which we say, I think, colon in English. This is called ratio. Okay, 1.5 kg ratio 350 kilogram, 350 gram. Okay, so we need to simplify these two. The very first thing is that both the given quantities or numbers must be in same units. So first we will bring it in the grams. 1.5 multiplied by 1000, so it becomes grams. Here we have 350 grams. Remove this decimal point 10, 0 goes with 0, so it is 1500 gram. This is 350 gram. Now we will be simplifying these two numbers, 1500 and 350. It is actually 1500 ratio 350. If we divide this side with 10 and also this side with 10, so then this 0 goes with this. Okay. Then if we divide both sides with 5, so 5 sevens are 35. Here 5 threes are 15 and 0. So this is the simplest figure, 30 ratio 7, because we cannot further simplify this one. So this gram goes with gram, so 30 ratio 7 is the answer. I'll recap. The question was simplify each of the following ratios. Part A says 1.5 kg ratio 350 gram. So first step was to bring both the quantities or both the numbers in the similar units. So we multiplied 1.5 with 1000 to convert it into grams. So by simple calculations we got 1500 answer, 1500 gram on the left side and 350 gram on the right side. Then we simplify this. I'll do again the process of simplification for you. This 0 goes with 0. The way we divide, I told you that it is similar like division. The way we do like this, 0 goes with 0, 5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15, 0, 37. Similarly, we will get the answer, 0 goes with 0, 5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15 and 0, so 30, G goes with G, 30 ratio 7. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. So all the parts are of same type. We need to simplify. So we'll be doing maximum of the parts so that you should get better idea of how to simplify the ratios. Part B is 15/24 ratio 9/7. These are fractions. So first we need to bring this into simple numbers. How to bring or how to convert or how to change these fractions in simple numbers is that we will do cross multiplication. We multiply this with this and this one with this. It it becomes 15 into 7 this side, ratio 24 into 9 this side. Now I will multiply 105 here, 216. Now we have converted the fractions into simple numbers. How we did was through cross multiplication. Now we will simplify these ratios. It is actually 105 ratio 216. We will be simplifying by dividing with the same number. If we divide this side with 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Then if we divide this with 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. So now this is the simplest form. We cannot simplify this number more. So our answer is 35 ratio 72. I'll recap this question. It was actually 15 divided by 24 ratio 9 divided by 7. So I told you that the first step is that we need to change these fractions into common numbers, normal numbers. So how we did was that we just cross multiplied. This will be multiplied with this opposite. This will be multiplied with upside opposite. Okay. So 50 into 7, 24 into 9. We put the ratio because this is ratio. I told you in the beginning that the introduction of ratio is, it is like division, it is like fraction. All three things are same. Okay. So in place of these fractions, when we cross multiplied, we put ratio. Then we multiplied 15 into 7 is 105 and 24 into 9 is 216. Then we simplified both the numbers by dividing with the same table 3 on both sides. So we got the answer 35 ratio 72. So I am doing slowly so that you should have a proper sense of the steps, how to calculate, how to do the steps. Part C says 0.45 ratio 0.85. So first we will be converting these to normal numbers. How to do that is remove these decimals. Okay, this 0 will be cut with 0, this 100 will be cut with 100. We'll be getting 45 here and 85 here. Okay, so these are the normal numbers. It is 45 ratio 85. Now I'll simplify with 5. 5 9s are 45. 13 5s are 17 5s are 85. So our answer is 9 ratio 17 because we cannot further simplify these two numbers. So this was very simple. We just removed the points, decimals on both sides, and below we wrote 1 in place of decimal, and these are two numbers on the right side. We put 2 zeros. Similarly we did here. 100 was cancelled with 100. So we got 45 ratio 85. Then we simplified these two numbers. Now we will be doing part D. Part D is 580 ml ratio 1.12 liter ratio 104 ml. So we need to have first of all three quantities in similar unit, that is milliliter. So to convert it into milliliter, we will multiply this with 1000. So we will be getting milliliters. Now remove this point, make it 100. 2 zeros go with 2 zeros. So when we multiply 112 with 10, we get 11, 20. Now we have 580 ml. We have 1120 ml. And we have 105 4 ml. ml will be finished. Okay, so we'll be left with 580, 1120, 104. We'll be dividing all three numbers with the same table. Start with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 8, 18, 0. Here 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 0. Here 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Again we'll try with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 0. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. It is 145, 280, ratio 26. These three numbers, I think we cannot further simplify these numbers with the same table. 145 will not be divided with 3, with 2. Okay, so this can be divided with, this can be divided with the 2, this also, but this we cannot divide with 2. Okay, this will be divided with 3, this cannot be divided with 3. So there is no common table for them. So this is the answer for part D. So it was very simple. First we converted the number into similar units and then we simplified. Now we have part E. It is 2/3 ratio 3/2 ratio 5/8. Here again we will be doing cross multiplication. It will be multiplied with this. 2 2s are 4. This will be multiplied by this. 3 3s are 9. So we will do another thing. Rather than cross multiplying, we will adopt another method, that is to equalize the denominators. So we take 3, 2 and 8, their LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. It becomes 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12, 12 into 2 24. So we'll be multiplying this with 8, this with 12, this with 3. So we get 8 2s are 16 over 24, 36 over 24, 15 over 24. This will be gone. So we'll be left with 16 ratio 36 ratio 15. These three numbers are such that we cannot divide these numbers with the same table. So this is the answer. So I'll repeat that now we were having three fractions. One was 2/3, other was 3/2, the third was 5/8. We just equalized the denominators. We took the LCM. Okay, our LCM was 24. We want to have 24 here, 24 here, 24 here. So 3 8s are 24, multiply upside same. 2 12s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. So we got this 16 over 24, 36 over 24, 15 over 24. Okay, then in the next step we were supposed to simplify. So all these were cut off, 24 24 24. If we multiply this with 24, this with 24, this with 24, so it will be cancelled. Okay, so we are left with 16, 36, 15. So it is basically 16 ratio 36 ratio 15. So this is the answer for part E. So you need to do a lot of practice so that in the first look you should identify the procedure how to solve the questions, because the solution steps are very easy. Okay, part F says 0.33 ratio 0.63, ratio 1.8. So first we'll be removing the point. We get 33 over 100, 63 over 100, 18 over 10. Okay. So now similarly we'll try to equalize the denominators. If we multiply this with 10 and also with 10, we get 33 over 100, 63 over 100, 180 over 100. By this way these will be cancelled. So we will be having 33 ratio 63 ratio 180. Now we need to simplify these. We will be dividing these with 3. 3 11s are 3 2, 3 1s are 3 6 0. So 11 21 60. This is the answer for this question. So I'll recap. For part F, it was given 0.33 ratio 0.63 ratio 1.8. So in the first step we just equalized, we just removed the decimal and we put 1 under the decimal, and there are 2 digits on the right side. We put 2 zeros. Here similarly we put 1 under the decimal and there are 2 figures on the right side, 2 zeros. Here there is one under the decimal, it comes 1. There is one only figure digit on the right side. We put 1 0. It became 33 over 100, 63 over 100 and 18 over 100. Then we told you that we should equalize the denominator 100 100. We also need 100 here. It was 10 here. Multiply by 10, multiply by 10, upward and downward. This is numerator, this is denominator. Both will be multiplied with 10. We got this same. This is 18 to 10, 180 over 100. 100 was cut up with this, it is gone. We got 33, 63, 180. So then we divided all 3 numbers with 3 and then we got the answer. So now we will be doing question number 2, exercise 9a. Question number 2 says, part A, find the value of A. We need to find value of A if A ratio 400 is equal to 6 ratio 25. So this is a new question, new outlook, new form, new situation for us to deal with. Here we have on the left side of equality A ratio 400 and on the right side of the equality 6 ratio 25. We are looking to find the value of A. So here what to do is that extreme corners, these will be multiplied. It becomes A multiplied by 25. Then you put this equal sign. Then the middles, they will be multiplied. Becomes 400 into 6 multiplied. Okay. Now we need A. We'll take 25 to other side. Here it is being multiplied. When it goes to other side, it will be divided. Now we need to simplify with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. 0. Then 5 1s are 5. 16 5s are 80. 16 to 6 is 96. So the value of A is 96. This is the answer for this question. I'll recap. It was actually A ratio 400 is equal to 6 ratio 25, and we were supposed to find the value of A. We told you that the extreme corners will be multiplied and we put then equal sign, then the middle one they will be multiplied, and then we did the simple calculations and we found the value of A, which is 96.